How to create Universal Credit Account. Creating a Universal Credit Account is an essential step if you're applying for benefits in the UK. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Prepare your email address, personal details, name, address, date of birth, national insurance number, bank details, income information, and housing details. Go to the Universal Credit page. Click on Start Your Application. Enter your email and create a password. Verify your email through the confirmation link sent to you. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may involve answering security questions. Fill out the application form with accurate information and submit it. If required, book an interview at a Job Centre Plus. Log into your account to track your claim and communicate with your work coach. If you have any issues, contact Universal Credit Support for help. Thanks for watching.